I'm gonna pull up study to the side. She keep coming at me every day and night. When I left in my life started feeling right. Yeah, yeah, ooh. These days I'll do anything I like. Grinding for this life every day and night. When I left I told them I would get it right. Yeah, yeah, break bread and break hearts, don't get me started.
Good morning, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Maryann. If you don't already know, I am a Nigerian content creator based in Minnesota. I make videos about productivity, lifestyle, career, and just about my side hustles. If those are videos that interest you, consider joining the family by subscribing. While you're at that, make sure to turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new video up on my channel, because trust me, you do not want to miss them. So I am so excited. Today I will be traveling with my husband. Yay! Our first trip of the year, steadily ticking off my goals for the new year. Remember I told you guys that I wanted to travel out more. So that is happening today. We're traveling somewhere. You guys are going to find out in the next couple of vlogs. But yeah, I am really excited about the trip. I look forward to having fun and just doing amazing stuff. So in today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys my travel routine and sharing with you guys how I prep and pack for my trip. And then I also have a travel vlog that will be going on live just after this. So make sure to check that out. If they are both live at the time you're watching this, just click the card up here to go watch it, and just let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know how you pack or prep for your travels. You know, the first thing I like to do, I like to prep and pack at least 3 days ahead of the trip. That way I'm not forgetting anything. But unfortunately I haven't been feeling too good the last couple of days, so I'm going to be packing on the day of the trip, which is today. To make it easier, what I like to do is just write a list of all the items that I'm going to be needing. So clothes, shoes, gadgets, medications, and then just highlight like all the ones that I need to put in my bag. And as I put them, I just like tick them off. I'll be doing a couple of runs today as well. I'll be going in to get my booster shot for COVID. I would also be getting some more travel essentials, like those small like squeezies and stuff, just to put our body cream, body lotion, this kind of stuff now, you know, normal. So once I do that, I also don't like leaving the house dirty, because I leave it dirty, I come back and meet it dirty. And since we'll be returning like just 2 days before classes start, I do not want to stress myself, so I'll be doing a lot of cleaning today and just arranging the house and making sure that everything is fine, so when I come back I'm ready to just like get back into work. I also plan to film 2 videos today for YouTube. I don't know how feasible that is, because I have to go for my booster shot at 10:30, so I have to leave at 10:20, because it's just like 8 minutes away from where I live, Walmart. So I don't know how that is feasible. Maybe once I'm done there, latest by 12, I should still have a couple of time. Our trip is at 6, so maybe when I come back I would have time to do that. One thing I also like to do as part of my check-off list is to move everything that's going to spoil, because we're going to be with almost 2 weeks, into the fridge or freezer, so it preserves it. For bread, I don't know, I'm tempted to carry the bread along with me so it doesn't spoil. I don't know if you can put bread inside fridge, I don't know, just let me know in the comment section if you can. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to go ahead and prep my list and make sure that I'm not forgetting anything, and just kind of like start packing my stuff and then start cleaning. I also have to do laundry as well, so I'll be doing all of that, and then I'll be showing you guys all of that as well. So just to summarize, I like to have a list of all the items I'm going to be traveling with. I like to get like travel essentials and just make sure that I'm carrying like everything, toothpaste, toothbrush, and all of that good stuff. I also like to clean the house and make sure that it's clean and everything is set, so when I come back I'm ready to start grinding or doing other stuff instead of having to spend the whole day like cleaning again. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And I have to do my booster shots. I'm tempted to go make my nails, but I'm like, there's no need, because I don't know how this semester is going to be with nails, so I'd rather just leave my nails as is, and then when I come back and then once classes start, I can understand or know whether I need to get my nails done or whether I can make my nails or not, depending on the workload or the typing activities and stuff. That's everything. So let's go ahead and make a list of all the items that we're gonna need. So for some weird reason, I typed everything out, but I can't seem to, it's not like showing up on my iPhone. I don't know what's wrong. So I have a journal that I got the other day that I haven't quite used because I'm not really a paper person. So I'm just gonna be writing everything down. We're basically unboxing this together. I don't know, I was tempted to return it, but it's just $10. I might as well just keep it. Pink. I would also be transferring my golds into this one. I also like that it came with like a stencil. I bought this at Target for $9.99. I'm just gonna turn this portion off. have finished writing my list of items that I need to pack. I think I'll pack when I'm back. So the first thing I need to do is laundry. So I'll go do laundry. I'll vacuum. I also need to lay the bed, wipe down surfaces. Oh yeah, it's 9:14, so I think I should be able to finish all of that before my booster shot. Then I need to brush my teeth before also heading out. We literally have about 45 minutes, give or take. So let's go and get started. First, we're gonna lay the bed.
Sick of the give and the take. Hey, so what is new? Just waiting in queue.
We're finished laying the bed. The next thing is laundry. I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
This way, I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, lick the scourge. You know what I've been through. It feels like there's no use, but I won't be happy too. Maybe 2020 is the year I bloom. For crying out loud, fuck you. I'ma turn a new leaf, it's true. No time to be confused. Take a trip out to Rome and not my room. I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage, liquid courage. I lick the scourge, I lick the scourge. Now I'm starting to think it doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to wash away the pain with liquid courage.
I finished doing the dishes. I've wiped down surfaces. My husband's gonna help me vacuum. I need to start heading out to Walmart. I think it's like, should be by 9 now. So we're actually on track. It's just 9:45. So sorry guys that I'm so low energy like today. Like, I'm really sorry about that. It's just my throat is hurting. The more I talk, the more like it hurts my throat. So I'm just trying to minimize the amount of time that I talk or just open my mouth in general. So I'm so sorry. Hopefully I feel better. I doubt, because almost everybody who has taken the booster shot, they always feel worse. And I'm having my booster shot today, so tomorrow is going to be a no-go area. I'm sure I'm going to be like super ill tomorrow, but hopefully by Saturday I should be all well and good, and then we can like get shit done. I really want to enjoy this trip that we're going on. Like, no matter, like, see, even if the devil sends somebody to piss me off, I'm just like, just annoy yourself when you're done. Just get out of my way. Like, I just want to have fun this trip that I'm going at. I'm just going to make sure that everybody's in their lane. I'm going to ignore any trashy attitude. I'm like, nope. Saying I was just apologizing to you guys for just having like super low energy today. It's just because like I'm not feeling too good, but I'm trying to still record and film, because like this year is a year of no excuses. I don't know, like be giving excuses that, oh, this, that. I know I need to rest because I've just been filming non-stop throughout the holiday. It's exciting. Just like my husband said, when you love something completely, you really don't mind the views you're getting. I'm not really getting a lot of views, but it's just something that I really enjoy doing. So, and that's why I'm like really vested in it. I'm taking my time, I'm doing it. At this point, I'm not really in it for the money per se anymore. It's just something that I really enjoy doing. The editing part is just crazy, but just sharing videos, like videos that I think you guys are going to find valuable, that can help you, that's like what gives me a sense of accomplishment. So I'm feeling well or not feeling too good, but yeah, just wanted to point that out there. My lips are swollen, if you guys can tell. So I'm gonna have to start heading out to Walmart. I just need to make sure I have everything. appointment is for 10:20. I came in a little early, so I'll just check in so they know that I'm around, and then hopefully get mine early 10:11. I just got home. Please explain to me why. Let me show you the things that I got. Some nails, some tubes, a soap, brush holders. This I'm going to be taking now. Nail cutter for my husband. Face wipe for mouthwash. I went to Target. I saw this really cute necklace. I saw this like phone holder. I was not going to buy it. You guys, okay, maybe you didn't see. There was one and the other one that I was contemplating. I got this one because it has a clear back, so I can easily like pull my phone in and film. I tried it in the store and that was why. The other one did not have a clear back, so this would be nice for when I'm on the roller coaster and I just want to film some. I'll just like tie it really close to my neck and just hold on to it like this to film it. So instead of carrying my camera, I'm smart. Face mask, this gown. I wanted to buy you barrettes, but I didn't see any. Ah, this is so cute. See. So I'm going to start picking my clothes. The jeans, I'm gonna go grab my shoes downstairs and my sneakers. Then filming and equipment. Let's do that.
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road. Stop driving myself insane. The end of the day, you got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming. You got me in to go dreaming.
My face wash, I just poured some into here and then I just refilled my dark spot serum. I found my iPhone shutter. Well, I'm done packing. This side I left for my husband, so he's going to put the stuff in the second half.
Don't feel anxious, don't feel shame. If there's a question, it can't wait another day. Don't feel like it's all in vain. I try to remember, it ain't a race. Breathe out, it doesn't matter anyway. Breathe in, it's about happiness in the air. Take it slow, watch the road. Stop driving myself insane. End of the day, you got me in.
this is what I'm basically wearing. Bra top with this trouser that I got the other day at Walmart. Really nice and comfy with my sneakers. And I'm going to be carrying this backpack, my handbag, this box. So I'm just waiting for my husband to put his stuff in it. Boo-boo.
Yes, Why
don't you tell my fans to subscribe?
Subscribe, smash the like button. So this
cut to the end of today's video, technically the end, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the travel routine. Sometimes, like, it's give or take. There are some things that I did today that I might not necessarily have to do. As I said, I had to pack last minute, so yeah, this is typically how I would pack. The Uber is just 2 minutes away. I just need to make sure that everything is switched off. I have to go downstairs and properly lock the car, and then we'll start heading out. I also need to clear my throat. But that's the end for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe, join the family so you'll see more content like this. I love you guys. Stay safe. Peace.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you.
We're on our way to Orlando. I am so excited. I'm so happy. I'm gonna have the best time of my life. Promise, I promise, I promise. So that brings us to the end of today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe and share with your friends if you found this video enjoyable, and I'll see you guys in Orlando. Bye.